some more.
Drinking lemon water every morning, the mistake millions of people make. We all know that many people around the world drink lemon water, first thing in the morning, immediately after they wake up. But unfortunately there are also many people who can't stand the sour taste. But that's a bad thing, because the super healthy lemon is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. Just take a look at the video and find out more about this. The experts also say that you should drink lemon water every day, because lemon juice is loaded with antioxidants, protein, vitamins B and C, flavonoids, phosphorus, potassium, carbohydrates and volatile oils. This super healthy juice has many properties such as antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-building properties. It will also help you boost your immune system and fight infection due to high levels of bioflavonoids, pectin, limonene A, citric acid, magnesium, calcium, and vitamins. You should also know that a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning, will help you with other things, such as, flushes the system, aids digestion, fights hunger cravings, promotes weight loss and creates an alkaline-forming environment to balance the body's pH. Did you know that just 1 cup of fresh lemon juice provides 187% of your recommended daily serving of vitamin C? Note, but unfortunately, there is one common mistake that most people make when they're enjoying a glass of lemon water: they throw out the lemon peel, which is a bad thing. Why? Well, because the lemon peel is one of the most nutritious parts of the whole fruit. Let me guess, your normal routine would probably be slicing the lemon, squeezing the juice into a bottle and adding some hot or ice water. But let me tell you something, this is actually the wrong way to do it. And now you're probably ask yourself, what's the right way? Well, don't worry, because we have the answer for you. Here's the right way to make lemon water. The perfect lemon water recipe. First, you need to get 2 fresh organic lemons. After that, you need to cut them in thin or thick slices according to preference. Squeeze some of the sliced lemons into the water. And now you need to grate the peel of the squeezed lemon pieces into the water. You can put the rest of the slices in your blender bottle, mug, or travel cup. Fill up the container with either boiling hot or ice-cold water. Lemon water for the win. Many experts around the world also say that lemon water will also improve the digestion process. It also helps to slow absorption of food, which conserves insulin stores in the body and ensures your body gets the most out of the food it's processing. Lemon water can also give your GI tract the push it needs in the morning to get things moving and also reduce fluid retention. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this means one thing: you should start drinking lemon water immediately. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.
Travix.